A for alligator. B for buffalo. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for hen. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nene. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vampire bat. W for wolf. X for X-ray fish. Y for yak. Z for zebra.